Na Mercade, Emara Mompotemo Eguma Central. Yet I don't want them bracketing. Ye knew your Bobo Suyim in the way ye nephew. Ye knew your Bobo woman yet feed the Mijinabunum. On a make sure that ye were Doma Hurwa, 1 hour ye Juma Huru, Obi Tigua, Obi Otona the Fufro, Obi Osue Juma, Obi no poor drivers. One year now, more constituency. Young guys are where we. If you are your basic school, now what pedal what the driving your work profession and all the what trade, what also power. But when you will remember, what if you work another step? No, why difficult? Why is it no man? Or what for you? Or minimum put to acquire ordinary driver license, or it's difficult for them. And you will appear, remember there. The men you may all form where you're not brabum or bumano, you will pay your BRF, Nijinabio, Saturday. Ye nipani ne fi mprempre ahoche chede ahoche dinado aye wo mogu man ye pedi ye pede fi ye pedi ye fi mda ye behi obi owo da mayin so ade hu no oba for kwan bebre kwan akwan horo bebre aboa me ye pede ye hu afi da me ginado no mu ama ye fi da bracket me no onye one day but obehia policies papa obehia programs papa obehia initiative papa obehia steps papa ni etum de fi da bracket a visionary leader. Okay. Somebody who looks far from today. Obi o hwade no wachi chi. Enye ne satase. E hwade no wachi na efiase de no ho nhihye pa egufom. Mama kan sa mencho. Bra ye launch yen electronic deal system or nkran. Yen president ye rehwe no kwan there. Yame Yaduma Obaba, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Or the assembly to order, obey technical and vocational education free. Do you know what it means? You see, Gab order, me patch there, or pana order, Yama Yadon ko school, we SHS. Na, Wobefi, SHS, Ekudu Bra, Wara, Wobeti 100 there, what you wage mano. No more pa. Sir,
from senior high school to the time of
what bet 100. Okay. So if you senior high school, woman I know what to university. Okay. If you senior high school, woman I know what to nursing training, teacher training, any other training institutions. Today, a security services crank what publish it. One enlistment, man for applying it. It's no longer existing under this government. Eba de po bokwa koto na nkofo ye training, you don't know how it got there. Into no che de sebe yetimamunya. Excuse me, inyo biara akọ SHS area. Anye ya betra ho afebo. Now, the Mijina Biwi and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama we introduce you technical and vocational education there. Oba in the free. Yeah, obo boama. Onwana wo kadamaga abunu mu no. Ye de wona wura mmemme a wo bokwa kosua adesua wo benya no oba ma wanya nsanu dwuma wo bejira wonado. Now, one finest thing about it there, more you for them a free technical and vocational education is that you be linking to the informal sector too. You find na one go school no informal sector. You be link adena ko informal sector. Into madam na we container no fa mofra no kire wade no. Or kire mofra na de until na kire school. Now so at the end of the day you be enroll to them obi ko school a wotua ni fees. Remember maybe as a DC no quite no too short to implement some of these things. Assembly what do you call it? A policy document or guide where we should start and how we should go by it. So that sema menana say yame fa the kwensi or say many man ye mechiri onye it is my prayer there. If in the past, poor leadership or lack of vision, ama youth, what will go central was suffer, that must be behind us. As we traverse on, as we move on, we must have that kind of thinking, vision. Obo put young microphone into the right perspective. Ama when you not there, you start to BB, the multi be able to baby like. I'm not enyeme na mababa yini na anya hwekra ne jehu will leave a legacy to show that I have started something.
A monumental legacy.
Of course. And all day ye bibi ma yem nwa wodi ye chira na pedwa na na bi wonyenyi da do there. Oh, there is hope.
Yes, under your administration, now with school feed now, I will go more central, expert. And this current administration, one more day is over 20, as the academy now, one more up over all basic schools or districts. What's what checks itself, sir?
Well, minimum. The current one, I don't want to talk about it because as a former DC, I don't want to delve into Obina administration as to what the person is doing.
Okay.
Sometimes I even find it difficult. I'm more assembly hall. Every crime could be some answer so that some will be agent there or Bosho be more. I wish my brother well. Otu, he knows. He's a brother to me. He share at several fora and several platforms, and I pray he should be successful. Of course, me if he fails. So all I have to do is to pray for him.
Okay.
And of course, so far, so good for him.
Okay.
But then, as I was leaving office, my memory could set me right there. Gomwa Central was having not less than 15. And then there was another consignment that came.
Okay.
Anna, Mama Wafre Caterers cry who interview. Now, I covered the entire district. I think it was more than 30. Wafre Caterers interview. My Caterers need you submit one document in Adina. But then, as I left office and I was told that Caterers now was submit one document in Adina, they just pushed them away. And on your through there, I left just only about 6 there. It was more than 15 schools.
The additional ones now, people are becoming cover the entire.
I man kasampo na meshase. Ma meshase. Say chiri na what man mama wa Africa Caterers why you interview. Why you want to be but chiri me there. Caterers na yeah from because Caterers in same. The caterer must have certain qualifications. Criteria be what the select on so it was open like an open tender. But then when I will go through the process, what they one certificate in other, what demanding the bachelor and other on the assembly they were just at the verge of being given appointment letter to start the job now. And then if your office. Then all that many American they made that some of them met me and told me that they were not giving the appointment. But I have nothing to say about it.
I don't know, sir. I say I'm looking at also what here. I say, time I DC, you put me question, say,
then you cannot meet all of them. So what you have to do is to honor some of this invitation by giving them pledge. Pledge is not wrong, it's not bad. But once you pledge, you take time, you make up time, and then you solve it out. And see, Obi Oha. Ebi aba no program na pledge na nnede o ma mo we hey no nara what to free no dey baby
see am no can say provias and you say last year for ma 30 bags of cement credit go event and for you.
Oh no, I wasn't at Benso last year. Until I cannot confirm that. Last year minyum a program. Those I wasn't at Benso last year.
Challenges are over politics, challenges in politics, especially when we plan to be able to say DC parliamentary candidates. What are some of the challenges that you are moving? Why are they saying I'm more brave, Papa?
Yeah, number one, yeah. Sebeya which me manage expectations, and then you manage your own life. Just say, you so demanding say. As a German, almost everybody. Obia our concern or what this year or how the first point of call is honorable. Honorable Mehauni. Honorable Asama Tumini. Honorable Minyasa. Say yana passe ye say yana jo. Or expect to say Asama the other two in as a so one. Really,
you need to honor.
Few days ago, me be fear and I be no be a friend say you be a tour recently you are Panama men and papa dine so won't try him necessarily in chance and I boss. As some now I can't try as a yard. I'm passing the panels on watching. In so to tell you, a farm from us what so as I say. Now some law can say genuine. And the audience chance now here uncle, then you see several others come to. But that shows whether you are a leader or not. Because so you can defer. And so to me, absorb all others. Now what can you pan come at 20 am? Now what to was now to 20 am? Now as you move on, what to me why necessary need and more be necessary my way. And then I was the show inside. And that is what you have to manage it. Because politician is a father for all. Now me what I say. Goma Central alone. The last time I checked, your population, I think it's getting to about 93,000. For say 93,000, you have maybe about 48,000 plus. Any that will also. And now, so how? So beside you, so why do you know it comes to you? As some so you catch the wire. The expectation is that you should do them. What it demands of you is to have discretion. So as I say, ubenya abutre na waji obi asem na wehu baby ese wodi obi ejina. And that is where sometimes some of them might think say you have given a promise to him or her and you have not resolved it.
Yes, I do before complain.
Really? A situation people have who avoid any because in name assembly people will see with him straight away. You can't avoid it. We are not any. Enti ese utumi bombra. Ese utade. Obisa questions ahuru be echiri order and also friend Evelyn. And so or kasa de benyere kasa. Ebo fake check. I want to place it on record. If there's any individual, corporate or whatever, when you talk of fake check here
criminal offense.
Is a criminal offense. So if man will be check, the man will program man will be check and whatever, not until the man. You can even bring it to Golden Star for you to announce it.
Of course.
Satas. Then my makers a medical kind. My personality mortality may attract almost everybody.
Okay.
Now, invitation to various programs at the same time. No? Sometimes some pressure to the point that some of them has to be honored through checks. But they are redeemed. They are redeemed. Men there, none of cohorts. I mean, my personally there.
Yeah, of course.
My personally there. Now, if I should also arrange people to stand by her, they will see that one and a year, she's nothing to write home about. Even now the parliamentary primaries cry, she's running away from it. On another parliamentary primaries, she's running away from it. Yes, she's running away from it. How competent is 9 a year? On some one single policy, our MP will introduce. I'm afraid what was said more. It is Nanaja who started it. Now, my DC and I supported Nanaja to do it. And the machines order, I'm afraid I want to assembly. I had a robot to assembly and I don't come off and I would one on him the man. Until they should give us a break. But a honorable assemblyman or aboso, Mr. Wara. Maba aboso afasha as a DC or I assemblyman then. Now I expect you to know better. There, you there. If a DC or a public function that there's a pleasure, the all assemblyman, you go and pick it from the finance department.
And that's Sunday.
Emara Makai there. Me do as a DC. Aboso one chef and one friend there. Afasha was in DC one friend, so I was not there. Malas afasha mokwe obeye me DC. And then another one me no query. 2016. Into one kasana ya assemblyman na inyim mo ye no. You go back to the assembly. You take it from the final. E would make us a medical there. DC on your spending officer. Into DC require assembly fiscal kutokumda. The J na kone BBC ada. No. Adibia DC be no, it was reverted back to the assembly. And then when I consider they will go back to the assembly. And your mama will go more central bini. Every community, except few ones, I had to provide them with cement, and Aboso is part of it. Aboso and Himfie as it is, I was instrumental in its starting as it is now. Apart from them being instrumental for its starting, I supported them with close to about 100 bags of cement.
ICT Center is also.
ICT Center, also Aboso, and what I public gallery, what you made, man. When I was driving the market women from there so that we can put the situation there. You know what would they do there? As a man, I mean, you be mother. And I community benefiter, obri ya efro, obri ponu. The purpose for which I didn't see what there. Obobo mufra, women in the ICT mono has turned into something else. Unimportant on your issue. But more being take advantage, non outside, non cancer on your local. And I want to emphasize once again. Obi say Marco program. So I know my mini program. So I community program. And na mabo anoba na mama check them to from the Golden Star. I hope the host you understand what I mean. The same person that raised issue there. Raised Zion Church. Mankasa as a person, me a member of the Zion Church. Me a member of the Zion until recently me a Ward District Finance Chairman. Mankasa, member of the Zion Church wa Aboso. Na Swedu District now Finance Committee, I was the chairman. And so what are you saying there? Obi, they will come and check for Zion Church, Kropon and now Aboso and now Swedu. You see, like I said, no, say, Erin to Munyankwa na atu akeka. And you know, of me feel that these are some of the things and now the young crop will come out and then do. But yeah, maha for this. You will have to demonstrate ideas. Na me buy no me feel that me kasa bebre no. Ma kire okwana motu me da for that. Lifting. And when I say gumwa, a lot of us from a particular bracket up to a certain level. On a match. And it's so feel there was superlative ideas. Or ideas be all media. Maka. No, be some man. Oh, yeah. And see, I have nothing much to talk about this because Mamunka this one. I've also assemblyman bill. Answer the Mephi office, no. And I receive school feeding. I think close to about 30 for the whole district. Mankasa on a former coordinating director, Mr. Basi, or constitute a team. Emma, why you want an interview? Emma, 1 hour pass or passing me, you want to cook a post. Or could you just the stage or award the contract and I'm on your office? And to me, him there, send there, go more century in 23. Me assure them all by them no be count. I didn't leave school feeding at 6. It's not true. The records are there. But that's it.
Wow.
I got answer. Where's my system now? I know for.
Oh, that system is porous. System is on you.
Ango. Yo, me dan say me ti dey bada Golden Star in Pinfancy there in Bri Wama me PC kwan na onye Tilimufo Ogomo Central edin komo na ye chia obia na me bada me kan there ye say ye ti calls na obai na me he yeni nuanom a bia wo support honorable na na ya another way MPP for no say if the tone of some now work now Bekada was set the agenda be, and I think it will not be the best for all of us. 2020 about to now yekotuna na against na yekesim. Obey the contest of ideas. So what I hope share another what the person attack ba. One thing the hope a parliamentary candidate no your ba no bonu no o Sunday 2016. Ija ya home MP before more fire do 2016 elections in mo. This year no only easy ma ho. Inti ya basra ho there. Say Obi susu there, honorable na ya, why bibi ose no fata. Inti want to abamana onka. But so what one person attack, we will attack her in a way that onangasa obonu no contest. Besides, as we speak, potentially se sanka oye MP a wabon ho moden a me manfo anade impo MPP delegate impo wajini tuma nka party mpemfo wonye kanana ma wonyi one nkrofa wo ma military akan ni mfim mo na ngote nko no oppose obi a wa ye edwuma sabata fa che
kanana wa ye na media
because shade if honorable another Dr. Ketua was way in Efimia 2012 on no contest as PC for MPP Gomo Central. It is a kada 2016 wa moto aba 2016 and I don't 2016 on the bay on trade since wasting for my abe bra obi a waye PC point e ba da na aba
even 2016 contestants
even 2016 so osanso contest as of an parliamentary candidate so e ba sam na esi e ma baka because of onunti no was in form if not there open mamen obi an contest na so ka mama wa bonu modern ka wo papa no contest na ka yan hwa but only boy wan say wan sam e me papa make as communication officer in there me papa ma MPP for wo go mo center we won hunt ase dem me call me fe don from call me fe kwa nkrum but when won hunt ase there the mafia yo mi abara ye bottle so what the personal attack ba ye ba shock ho obaya butu ya put no cross there we are going to fight for the soul and the future of Gomo Central. Yet now, why? Nyama wobodo na mamen. Honorable na Adjo Tansen and other sabta fighter or your MP. Ono no chance no de confuse eduma. Na wape wo friend them dryers or dam ho. Opun won ho omo machines. Omo scholarship. Nyama na working na ya da honorable Rahel. Obaye na mamen no chado. We are talking about what exactly? Policy by na order to the boy young coffin on Mutino. Once on 120. So what I hope I should only a bit young, but good for good to know. Or I say, cry, I don't want to say. More.